the idea also is to make this aligned to what the organization wants to communicate, because the sharp sells model, that's again a realization we've had. Nobody cares about what sharp sells way of selling is. I mean, so if I were to go to Signify, I'll say, boss, what do you want to communicate? What products and what is the pitch there? Let's say even at JBL, was the way you pitch a JBL is different from the way you pitch a Harman. So question is, are we aligning our sales team to that standard that each organization has set? So AI is helping us drive that, enforce that easily. Because manually, if we were to do it with trainers, etc., there's like too many variations coming in.
So that's pretty interesting point. I think let's explore. I mean, like, what are some of the on-ground challenges that both Akhil and Anmol faces, while working with the customer representatives at the ground. Anmol, let's begin with you first. Maybe we can find some solutions with.
Building on what you said, Arun, I think I buy everything that you just said. It is more about, and when we are sitting here, it's easier for us to imagine what their problems would be. But trust me, when you're on the ground, and I'll start, because I came to know about this from a digital perspective, let's put it that way, and then you realize what their problems are. So we brought in a couple of tools, right? We said we will have a tool for the distributors. We will have some tool for the retailers. We're going to have some tool for our sales reps. Now, what are they supposed to do? They're supposed to open their tabs. They're supposed to key in their orders, which then go to, tally something, and you get all your orders in your SAP at the end of the day, right? And then you get invoiced and all of it. Biggest problem, people are not entering their data. Kyun nahi kar rahe? There's a tool, we've enabled you. And then we go to the next step and we say, oh, we want to run insights on that data. And we realize there is no data, or the data is incorrect. People did not know how to use the data or the tool, or they were not using it properly enough. So for me to get insights doesn't work. So when I start taking a step towards AI, I'm 2 steps back, understanding that AI par jaane ke liye mere, my base is not there.
Backend has to be right.
Exactly. So that's when you start realizing and you say, okay, what do I do now? Do I make people understand that this tool is going to make their lives easier? Of course, it's going to make my life easier, 100%, but it's going to make your life easier.